Okay, we're going to go over here and check out the sewage ejector pit that we talked about yesterday that we're putting under the stairs. We're going to go back into the bathroom first here and look at what we've done on the floor here. We've got a 5-foot shower going in between the walls here, between that wall there and this wall here. And we centered our drain left to right in the shower area here. It's a 60-inch shower. The center of the drain was 30 inches off of that wall and 30 inches off of this wall over here. Now, depending upon what shower that you buy, you have to read the instructions on your shower base. It'll give you the layout dimensions for the center of your drain. Ours is 30 inches. It's dead center in a 60-inch pan. So when you frame for a shower or you frame for a tub, you will always frame exactly to the size of the unit. So if you buy a 4-foot shower, between your framing, between that wall and that wall, will be 48 inches exactly, because your shower or your tub unit gets fastened between the actual framing, not the drywall. So we've got a 60-inch shower right over here. This is the shower base, and our shower base from that side of the shower to the other side is exactly 60 inches. So we framed our walls 60 inches wide. All right, and the depth of this unit, and they change, they're not always going to be the same, but from this back corner here to the very front edge is 34 inches on this model, 34 inches. All right, so you have to make sure that you have at least 34 inches of framing for the depth of your shower. Okay, so again, a 48-inch shower, you frame 48 inches. A 60-inch shower, you frame from one side of the bathroom to the other side, whatever the actual width is of your unit. All right, so we've got our drain centered in our floor for our future shower pan. We've got a drain coming up out of the floor for our sink. Now we're gonna drop down into the concrete, cut a hole in the bottom of the vanity, and come up into the bottom of the vanity for our sink drain. All right, so our sink's gonna roll across, tie into our 2-inch right here, which is coming down from our shower. You can see we're using a 2 into 1.5 inches here, and then it's going to roll around, come down, and it's going to tie into our toilet flange. All right down here at the bottom. We're going to tie into the bottom of the toilet flange, and then follow our trench down underneath the bathroom wall. Right across the bedroom here, we channeled right underneath the wall here, and down inside will be our sewage ejector pit, all right, which is the pit that's right over there underneath the stairs here. That's going down in the floor, and then through that 3-inch hole, which you can see right there in the front of that pit, right here, all right, our 3-inch line coming from the toilet is going to go right through and into the pit, and that's where all the wastewater from the bathroom is going to end up. And then there'll be a sewage ejector pump inside that pit that'll pump the water up and out of the basement. All right, and if you want to learn how to do a sewage ejector, we do have a video series over at the basement store. All right, the basementfinishingvideos.com, where you can purchase that series, and it'll show you how to do what we're doing here to hook up your own sewage ejector. All right, and you can save about $1,000, if not $1,500 or more, by doing your own sewage ejector pit and hooking up this plumbing yourself. You can save a whole lot of money by doing this yourself. So if you want to learn how to do that, check out that video over at the basementfinishingvideos.com. The bathroom in this job, I've got a 4-video series where you can learn how to open up your floor, put your drain lines in like this, run all of your plumbing for your vanity, your plumbing for your shower, your toilet. Basically build an entire basement bathroom step by step. Everything that you need to know how to do to put a bathroom in your basement is in that plumbing video series, and that is also over at the store. All right, so complete education for putting in your own DIY basement bathroom. You can see Tom setting up right now with the toilet flange, and he's going to be plumbing in the toilet here next. All right, so I just wanted to show you what was going on in this particular bathroom on this job. And today is the 12th of August 2014, and we're working down in the Carlisle, Pennsylvania area.